You are once again welcome. I remain Dr. D.I. Jun, your lecturer on chemistry on social media. As you can see on the board, we are still on the main topic, chemistry of Earth and space. And here is the breakdown of some of the topics we have treated so far. The introduction, chemical analysis of the Earth itself, the age of the Earth, structure of the Earth, properties of the atmosphere. And the Earth structure, we have atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. On atmosphere, there are layers. And we have the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, and exosphere, all under atmosphere. We have treated hydrosphere, properties of hydrosphere, the composition of hydrosphere. So we are coming to the last part of the Earth structure, which is the lithosphere now. The lithosphere, and this is the structure of the parts of lithosphere. So let us see what you have here. So the lithosphere of the Earth refers to the large landmark you can observe in the whole universe. The whole land mass you are seeing in the universe is referred to as the lithosphere. It is composed of rocks and soil. If you go to some places in Kogi State or in the northern side, you see some mountains and rocks right inside even the rivers in the land. They are all part of the land. So, the lithosphere is considered to be made up of three main parts. Lithosphere, that is the land mass of the Earth, is said to have composed of what? Three main parts. One, the crust. Two, the mantle. Three, the core. Now, in this core, we have another structure called the inner core. These are the three main parts of the lithosphere. Now, the crust, which is this one now, the crust is the outermost part of the lithosphere. When it's outermost part, the surface you are seeing now. This is what all of us can see. So that is the outermost part of the Earth, what your eyes can observe. That is what we call the crust. In the continental areas, the depth of the core is about what? 30 kilometers. Some continental areas, the core, the crust, that means even if you dig this surface now, you are seeing on that surface. But before you see the end of the crust to go into the mantle, it takes about what? 30 kilometers depth. All right. Now, in the main oceans floor, if like the oceans, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, even rivers and seas, the floor, when you dive into it, you go and stand on the earth again. The depth of the crust is about what? 8 kilometers. Now, the portion below the crust, this is the outer surface now. The portion below the crust is known as the mantle or the interior part of the earth. And it is from this that the earthquakes usually erupt. I take it again. The portion below the crust is downward now. It's known as what? The interior earth. Of course, that is the matter now. It's called the interior earth. Now, from studies of earthquakes, volcanic activities, and other phenomena, scientists think that it is consists of what? Nickel ion or possibly pure ion central core. They believing that considering the earthquakes, volcanoes that are taking place, that they consider that this place is made up of what? Nickel ion. Nickel is a metal, then ion, Fe. So they think that that place is composed of nickel iron, or possibly pure iron central, but surrounded by what? A mantle. You see? So this place is thought to be composed of what? A mixture of nickel, iron, or purely of iron centrally, but occupied and covered by what? A structure called what? The mantle. Now, the mantle is neither solid nor liquid. The mantle is not a solid material, neither is it what? A liquid material. It is believed to be what? A plastic. According to scientists, too, it is believed to be what? A plastic. With what? A thickness of about 2,900 kilometers. 2,900 kilometers. So the nickel iron central core consists of what? A solid inner core. A solid inner core. And this consists of what? Solid inner core of nickel iron in the central. Nickel iron in the central. And that the diameter of the core, the diameter of the core as a whole is 7,000 kilometers. That is the thickness, the diameter, or the dimension, so to speak, of the core, the whole, is 7,000 kilometers. So, like it, comment. Also follow me, subscribe to my YouTube. God bless you.